ek for Odisha B. Ed Education Honours. Formal, informal, and non-formal education. Introduction. Education is a lifelong process that helps individuals develop knowledge, skills, values, and attitudes essential for personal and social growth. It does not occur only in classrooms, learning takes place in various forms and environments. Based on its nature, structure, and purpose, education can be broadly categorized into formal, informal, and non formal modes. Each mode serves a unique role in shaping individuals and society. While formal education is structured and conducted in recognized institutions, informal education occurs naturally through daily experiences. On the other hand, non formal education is organized but flexible, aiming to meet the learning needs of people outside the traditional system. Understanding these three modes is essential to appreciate the diverse ways through which learning can be achieved throughout life. 1. Formal education. Definition. Formal education is a structured, systematic, and intentional form of learning that takes place in educational institutions such as schools, colleges, and universities. It follows a set curriculum and is guided by teachers or educators. Characteristics of formal education. Structured curriculum follows a syllabus approved by educational authorities. Institution based, conducted in schools, colleges, universities. Certified learning ends with a formal certificate or degree. Age specific, often segmented by age, e.g., primary, secondary, tertiary. Full-time basis, regular attendance is mandatory. Hierarchical, has levels like elementary, secondary, higher education. Examples. A child attending a government primary school. A student completing a bachelor's degree at a university. Vocational training programs under formal institutions. Though informal education. Definition. Informal education is a lifelong learning process where individuals acquire knowledge, skills, values, and attitudes from daily experiences, family, media, peer interactions, and the environment. Characteristics of informal education. Unstructured, no specific curriculum or syllabus. Lifelong and spontaneous, happens naturally during everyday activities. No certification, learning is not formally assessed or accredited. Flexible and casual, occurs at any time and place. Self-directed, driven by the learner's interest and experiences. Examples. A child learning to speak by observing parents. Learning to cook by watching a family member or YouTube video. Gaining knowledge about current events through news media. 3. Non-formal education. Definition. Non-formal education is organized learning that takes place outside the formal education system. It is structured and intentional but does not lead to formal certification like degrees. Characteristics of non-formal education. Organized but flexible, has objectives and structure but is adaptable. Learner-centered, tailored to the needs and pace of the learners. No formal certification, may offer participation certificates, but not formal degrees. Short-term or part-time, often conducted through workshops or evening classes. Can target all ages, often used for adult literacy, vocational training, continuing education. Examples. Adult literacy programs run by NGOs. Skill development workshops, e.g., sewing, carpentry. Health and hygiene awareness camps. Evening classes for working professionals or dropouts. Aspect. Formal education, informal education, non-formal education. Structure, structured and organized, unstructured and spontaneous, structured but flexible. Curriculum, prescribed and standardized. No fixed curriculum, based on learner needs. Certification, yes. Degrees, diplomas, no. Sometimes, participation certificates. Institution based, yes. No. Sometimes, NGOs, community centers. Time bound, yes. Fixed duration, no. Flexible schedule. Examples: schools, colleges. Learning at home, media. Skill training, adult education. Conclusion: each mode of education plays a vital role in a person's overall development. Formal education provides foundational knowledge and recognized qualifications. Informal education supports lifelong learning through real life experiences. Non-formal education fills the gaps by offering flexible learning opportunities to diverse groups, especially those outside the formal system.